Race number 4 and the race is on. Erica's Talent fast to begin, rising up Showmaster. Speak low, Danori inside, unopposed racing in fourth, running fifth by Daryl Devil Rising alongside Dugo, Anak Papato, Elgin and Chairman second last, while Taste and See is the early trailer. Erica's Talent by a length and a half, followed by Show Master. Speak Low is racing in third by some 4 lengths. Unopposed racing in fourth by another 3 lengths. Down on the inside is Dugo. Anak Papato rushing up now to take fourth. Elgin and Chairman Devil Rising, Taste and See. Rounding the far turn, Erica's Talent, Show Master, Speak Low, rushing up from the outside, Elgin and Chairman together with Unopposed, racing towards the last 400 and going to the long Santa Ana stretch run with Speak Low is now the leader. Erica's Talent, Elgin and Chairman from the outside, Show Master, entering the last 200, Elgin and Chairman is now the leader. Speak Low down on the inside, Erica's Talent, Devil Rising, entering the finish line, Elgin and Chairman by 3, and finally Elgin and Chairman. Speak Low, Unopposed, Erica's Talent, Devil Rising, Show Master, Taste and See, and Dugo, Anak Papato.